When you think about entrepreneurship in general, right, it's empowering, right? It's derivative impact, right? There's being able to provide jobs and, being able to do all those sorts of things. But I think the key really fundamentally is, particularly within the DIB, is really helping folks understand the impact that they can have even as a small business, right? So that impact sort of reverberates, right, across the DoD. And when we think about, technology, innovation, right? All of those pieces come together and they come from small entrepreneurs. We tend to think they come from just like the big six, as we call them within the DIB, right? The big contract. But really, it's those small businesses, right? That often are out there doing the marketing, doing the finance, doing the business development, right? They're really wearing multiple hats, and I think that lends to and is consistent with, right, that whole kind of American idea of just independence and being able to forge your way, understanding that entrepreneurship is all of that and more. It's difficult. It's not for the faint of heart, but that it's rewarding and on multiple levels, not just in terms of what you get from the business, but what you give to industry, whether it's helping to provide jobs, whether it's helping to enhance the industrial base, right, across what we call the 3 pillar sectors, right? So we think knowledge-based services, we think manufacturing, we think research and development, right? Those are kind of the 3 pillar sectors where many small businesses and entrepreneurs are really having a substantive impact.